Let's look at the top 4 rules of being financially literate. Number 4, create a budget. Creating a budget is one of the most important aspects of financial literacy. A budget helps you to track your income and expenses so that you can make informed decisions about how to best use your money. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and get into debt. There are many different ways to create a budget, but the most important thing is to be realistic about your income and expenses. Start by tracking your spending for a month so that you have a good understanding of where your money goes. Then set aside some time each month to review your budget and make adjustments as necessary. By taking the time to create and maintain a budget, you can take control of your finances and find financial success. Number 3, save your money. Many people find it difficult to save money, but there are good reasons to do so. For one thing, saving gives you a buffer in case of unexpected expenses. It also helps you to reach financial goals, such as buying a house or retiring early. And of course, the more money you have saved, the less financial stress you'll feel on a day-to-day basis. So how can you start saving more money? One helpful strategy is to create a budget and make sure that you stick to it. Another is to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. You can also stop eating out, or downsize your home, or eliminate monthly subscriptions that you don't use in order to save money each month. Whatever approach you take, the key is to be disciplined about saving money every month. With time and effort, you can develop the habit of saving and reap the rewards of financial stability. Number 2, build an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is important for a variety of reasons. First, it can help to cover the costs of unexpected expenses, such as a car repair or a medical bill. Second, it can help to reduce the financial stress that comes with unexpected events. Third, it can give you the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a cushion in case of tough times. And fourth, it can help you avoid the need to borrow money or use credit cards in case of an emergency. All of these reasons underscore the importance of having an emergency fund as part of your financial plan. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1, invest your money. Many people think that the only way to become financially secure is to save their money. However, while saving is important, it's not enough on its own. To truly build wealth, you need to invest your money. Investing allows you to grow your money without having to put in long hours at work. It also provides you with the potential to make a lot of money in a short amount of time. While there is a risk involved with investing, the potential rewards are well worth it. For those who are willing to take a chance, investing is one of the best ways to achieve financial security. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.